On Saturday night, Russian troops launched a massive strike at military facilities on the Ukraine territory. Several targets were hit in Kyiv. The Ukrainian air defense once again distinguished itself by hitting a residential multi-story building with a missile. In the central regions, the targets of the strikes were the AFU military infrastructure objects in Kirovohrad and Dnipropetrovsk regions. During the attacks, aviation equipment at the Konatovo and Dnipro airfields were hit. The offensive of Russian units near Kreminna continues in the 𝐷𝐲𝐸𝐧𝐭 direction. As a result of successful actions, the control zone in Serebryanka forestry and in the direction of Torske has been expanded. Ukrainian units have again used Western Storm Shadow cruise missiles to attack Luhansk. One hit was recorded in the southwestern part of the city. A fire broke out at the spot. Data on the victims were not received. Taking advantage of Russian internal problems, the AFU tried to go on the offensive in Soledar direction. Several attacks were successfully repelled near Vesele, as well as 𝐒𝐩𝐞𝐫𝐲. Also, the Ukrainian command has intensified operations to the north and south of Bakhmut. Nevertheless, the attacks at the Russian defense at Klishchivka and Berkivka reservoir were not successful. In Vremivka salient, the enemy, with the support of armored vehicles, launched an offensive in the area of Rivnopil and Pryutna. Russian troops steadily hold the defense, repelling the AFU attacks. Fighting carry on in the front line. Fierce fighting is going on in 𝐅𝐫𝐸 sector, where the enemy managed to advance little bit further in the direction of Robotyne. To the west, near Pyatikhatki, Russian troops proceed to control the heights around the village. In Kherson direction, Ukrainian special operations units managed to occupy a small bridgehead on the left bank of Dnipro. The enemy uses the destroyed Antonovsky Bridge as a stronghold point and shelter from Russian artillery and airstrikes.